Welcome back to Toy Time! Are you guys ready for another LOL Surprise Confetti Pop unboxing? Okay, so today it's countdown number 7. We're gonna unbox another LOL Surprise doll. Are you already a big fan of our channel? To become our channel's biggest fan, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment letting us know that you subscribed. I know, fun, right? And also, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Alright, so how about we unbox this doll over here? That's a good idea, right guys? So let's clean the studio, clean this confetti, and get ready to unbox our new doll. Okay, so here it is. Let's get the first layer out. Here is the zipper. These dolls are so much fun. I love my LOL Surprise collection. Do you guys have an LOL Surprise collection? Leave us a comment and let us know. And let us know which one is your favorite doll. I want to find out. Okay, so here is the other zipper. Let's get the second layer out. Alright, second layer. We got it. And here is a sticker. Look, we found the sticker that will show us either if the doll will cry, if the doll changes color, and all that. So we'll find out. Okay, so last but not least, one more layer, and now we can see the confetti pop. And we have a yellow confetti pop. Cool. And here is the sticker ring. It's a kitty cat. Very pretty. So let's get this band out of the pop surprise. And then also there is this little arrow sticker that we have to remove. Wait a minute. Let me show you guys. Here it is. So let's remove the sticker and start getting all the accessories out of each one of the compartments. Remember, we have 4 compartments, so 4 accessories, surprises, and then we get the doll. While we're getting all the accessories out of the compartments, we also have to look for the ribbon. That's the ribbon for the confetti, right? Okay, so here is one. Let's put it to the side, close this compartment, spin it to the next one, and find our surprise. Here it is. Another surprise. Okay, let's put the surprise right here to the side and move to the next compartment. Gotta keep spinning the LOL Confetti Pop surprise until we find all the accessory surprises. So here is the other one. We found it. Wait a minute. Look, here is the ribbon. We found it. Okay, so let's leave the ribbon out because we're going to need to pull the ribbon to get the confetti. And here is one more compartment, and that's the 4th compartment. So we got all the small surprises out. This one is really stuck in here. Wait a minute. Oh, so difficult to get this one. Wait, I think we can do it. Got it. Awesome. Okay, so here it is. So are you guys ready for the confetti pop? Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so here it is. And here is the doll on the biggest pouch. Alright, so let's get ready to open the surprises. First, let me show you what else comes inside the confetti pop surprise. There is also this pamphlet right here with the dolls from this collection. And also the little sisters right here. After we do the countdown, I'm gonna open little sisters here on the channel too. So leave us a comment, let us know if you wanna see the pets, the little sisters, all that. And also a soap opera, that'll be fun, right guys? Maybe I should start doing a LOL surprise soap opera. So subscribe so you can watch all the fun episodes that we're gonna post. Alright, so this is getting very difficult to open. So I'm gonna need my scissors, my ladybug scissors. And here it is. We got it. Oh, look how cute, guys. I think we found the shoes. Can you guys already guess which doll it is? Just by looking at her shoes? Very cute. It looks like a little bunny slippers. Okay, so next surprise. Let's see what it is. I see her outfit. Oh, how pretty! Very cute. It looks like little pajamas. Do you know what club our doll belongs to? Oh, little panda sleeping mask with little panda eyes and ears. How pretty! And now another surprise. Let's see. Oh, her milk bottle. Look, it's her baby bottle and it's a milk carton. How cute. Now let's unbox the doll. Are you guys ready? So here we go. Okay, so let's open this package and here she is. Did you guys guess it? Wow, we got Snuggle Babe. So now that we found out which doll it is, let's find out what she does. Okay, so I have a cup with very cold water and warm water. Let's see what happens. Wow, look how cool. She changes color. You see, I put Snuggle Babe in the cold water. You can see the ice cubes in the water. And she changed color. Let me show you guys a little bit up close. Look, her hair changed color. Now she has a sleeping mask. She has pants and a shirt. How pretty. All right, so now let's dress her up. Let's put her pajamas on. Very cute. And her slippers, her bunny slippers. Oh, she looks adorable. It's white socks and bunny slippers. And also, she wants her sleeping mask on. So let's give her her milk bottle and her sleeping mask because maybe she's tired. All right, so now our sleepover club is complete because we have all the 3 dolls from the sleepover club. Did you guys already complete one of the clubs? Let us know in the comment area. Very cute, right?
I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. Can you please put my sleeping mask on?
Of course. Here it is. Let's put your sleeping mask on. Your sleeping mask is so cute. It looks like a baby panda. Here you go.
Okay, good, because I am very tired.
Oh, look guys, Snuggle Babe fell asleep. Let's sing her a lullaby. Rock-a-bye and good night. Snuggle Baby is sleeping.
Okay, now I woke up, nice and rested. Hi everyone!
Oh, hi dear Snuggle Babe. How was your nap? Okay, I hope you had a very good nap. Now it's time for your bottle.
Baby bottle, yay!
Alright guys, now I'm gonna give Snuggle Baby her bottle. Thank you very much for watching our video. And if you want to be our channel's biggest fan, subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. And I will leave the link to our other countdown videos here on the description of this video. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Subscribe.